Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri again from Karma Healing. Today I am here to do a reading for a financial condition that's going to be there for the coming week. So how is your financial condition going to be? But this time I'm going to go do a little different way of card. I'm going to have 3 stacks of card and there's a color pyramid on it, so you can choose one of the color and read your prediction for the coming week for your financial condition. It's very simple. You just have to choose one color pyramid and the description or the reading for that stack will be given here in the video. To make it more easier for you, the time duration of each and every color pyramid will be given in the description. You can just click there and you can go to that color pyramid reading so that you don't have to see the whole video again. So let's start with our reading now. I'm just going to go ahead and show you all the 3 colors of pyramids and you can choose one and then we'll start our reading. So these are the 3 pyramid colors. One is purple, this is orangish, and this is a combination of blue and black. You can say this is amethyst, this is citrine, and this is like a lapis. So you can select any one of these pyramids and read the reading. So we will start ahead with pyramid, the first pyramid, that is the purple pyramid, and I'm going to go ahead and see the readings for the purple pyramid. Where your finance is concerned, for the people who picked up the purple pyramid, the cards that I have got is quite okay. Whatever you're expecting for the coming weeks for your financial condition is not going to be that fulfilling. The problem here is there is no communication from both the ends, or there is no communication between the people coordinating where your money is concerned or where your work is concerned. There is issues where there are situations where you feel very tied up and very not controllable where your financial situation concerns. If you see your coming weeks, if I see your financial condition, it is guiding us to be more observing, to seek exactly what can be done to get the financial condition right for you. And it also tells you, the cards are guiding that you have to build up relationship. You have to go ahead and meet people, go ahead and know people more and come in touch with new people to bring your financial condition up. It's hinting you that maybe if you meet more people, the job opportunities or your career might increase in a way that your financial conditions will improve. I do really see a total break kind of a thing coming your way, your financial condition. Maybe you are planning to start a new career, or maybe you are totally planning to start a new business altogether. But I would still suggest you to wait for some time, because this is not the right time for you to do it. The cards are guiding me, telling first to see, observe, make new connections, and then move ahead for the new business or new career choice. The financial conditions that has come for the people who have picked up the first pyramid, that is the purple pyramid, I would suggest, and the cards also is guiding to slow down a little, think, and then move ahead where your financial condition is concerned. Now we'll go ahead and do for the people who have picked up the orange pyramid. Let's see what their cards have to say. The cards are saying the career will be, and the financial conditions will be good the coming week. You will get opportunities where you will get a chance to improve your financial condition in coming week. The angels are guiding you to listen to your intuitions. That means whatever you are thinking of doing, believe in yourself and go ahead, and your financial condition will improve. Do not think or do not get confused kind of thing. Create. There is something that you would like to create, think new ideas, new people, and new relations. The cards are telling you to go ahead and do all these things so that the financial conditions in the coming weeks will increase. The financial condition is not bad for the coming weeks for these people, but yes, you have to go with your intuition, you have to go with your gut feeling and move ahead. Then taking a risk will be fruitful for you. So any confusion, you should just let go of any confusion and go ahead. That will bring you, go ahead and do any work that you're thinking of doing that will bring you finance, or maybe money, more money. Maybe there will be change in a career. Maybe once you start doing this, there will be a career change or career promotion, or what you are looking for in this few months before you might get it in the coming weeks. So the cards are good for you. The cards are not bad. They are just telling you to go with your gut feeling, go with your intuitions, do what you feel is right without any confusion, and you will see your financial situation improving in the coming weeks. Now we'll go ahead and do the last pyramid, that is the blue pyramid. Let's see what the cards have to say. Your cards are mixed cards. I can say I do see a financial condition improving for you people too in the coming weeks, but there is something better. The card is saying that whatever you are thinking of doing right now, there is always something better that you can do. When you do that something better, you will see your financial conditions getting better and getting more money out of it. There is a relationship card. It's saying that you need to be emotionally attached to people or emotions. You need to work on your emotions in such a way that it doesn't affect your work or it doesn't affect your finance. Right now is a situation where you are in two minds, like if I should do or if I should not do, or there is a lot of confusion going in your mind where your money matters are concerned. So just be very clear what you want from anyone, or what you want from the employer, or what you want from people who needs to give you money, and then go and ask for it. Then you will get the result that you're looking for. The cards are quite good, but it's a mix of relationship and money cards. So I would say that you need to work on your relationship to get your finance better. So emotionally somewhere you are down right now, so make sure that your emotional state is good before you think about moving ahead in a new direction where your financial condition is going to get better. But yes, if I see the cards where your money is concerned, yes, in few weeks I don't see any bad cards. So the money situation will be a normal situation. It all depends on you, how you deal with your emotions and how you deal with the stress or whatever coming in your life. You will, if you fight this and if you go and think about it, your financial condition is going to be very nice. So we are done with our card readings today. Do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. We are on Facebook and Instagram, so please go ahead and like the page there too. So that's it for now. Stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you.